Digital twins are an exciting new use case that we will potentially see within 5G and within 6G networks of the future. So what exactly is a digital twin? Well, effectively, as we can see on screen, a digital twin simply uses a number of different sensors, for example, to create a virtualized depiction of a physical object. So in this scenario, it could be something like an aeroplane engine, for example. So by attaching different sensors, we're able to build up a virtual picture of the performance, for example, of this engine. We can also use that digital twin to carry out analysis and testing on the engine before it moves to a full production stage. So one of the key benefits here is that we're able to use virtual representation. So it may be that by utilizing the data from the physical device, we're able to create a virtual representation that can exist within a 3D space. Now, this brings with it significant benefits in terms of not only testing, but also for applications such as training. Now, moving on, there are considered to be three different types of digital twin, and this is known collectively as the digital thread. So as we've touched upon already, we've got this idea of a product digital twin. And this is where we use an existing product, we create a virtual representation, and this can be used for things such as testing, prototyping, and training. Next, we have a production digital twin. Now, this is where, for example, in a manufacturing environment, for example, we're able to use data to model different scenarios. Now, this may be that sensors are deployed on machinery that makes up an assembly line, for example, and we're able to test out different scenarios. But rather than test it using the real environment, we can model this using the virtualized representation of the production process. And finally, we've got the performance digital twin, and this is where we would utilize the digital twin to gather useful insights, to gather performance data, and other metrics that can be used, for example, to improve the performance of a particular piece of machinery, to improve the performance of an overall process, for example. So to summarize then, digital twins really are about taking physical real-world objects and processes and modeling them in the virtual world. Now, this may be extended to virtual or augmented reality situations where users are able to manipulate a virtual visual representation of a physical object, and this can be used for testing, training, prototyping, and also improving performance. So overall, digital twins offer an exciting glimpse into how technology can be used to develop the products and solutions of the future.